10th Standard Social Science 1 mark questions. Political Science Unit 4 Global Problems and India's Role. What were the systems that ended with the end of Second World War? The imperialism and colonialism. When did the American War of Independence take place? 1776. When did the French Revolution take place? 1789. When did the Russian Revolution take place? 1917. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights is considered as a major event in the world history. Why? The American War of Independence, the French Revolution, the Russian Revolution, and the freedom struggles of India and other countries in the early part of 20th century provided more strength to human rights. That's why the Universal Declaration of Human Rights is considered as a major event in the world history. When did the UN General Body adopt the Human Rights Declaration? December 10, 1948. When is Human Rights Day celebrated? December 10. Which organ of UNO has mandated the member countries to adopt and protect human rights in every country? The General Assembly. In which part and article of the Constitution of India fundamental rights are discussed? Article 12 to 35 of Part 3. In which conference UNO asked for the commitment on the part of member countries for the compulsory implementation of human rights. Conference on Human Rights Violation in 1966. What is a popular saying often found in the present world? In nuclear report, either we have to end the war or the war will end us. What appears to be a dangerous phenomenon in the current scenario? Arms race. What is the only solution to stop mad rush for arms? Disarmament is the only solution to stop mad rush for arms. What is disarmament? Disarmament is the direct process available to bring down the number of arms or elimination of certain arms. Who said? The world which has arms not only wastes the money, it also wastes the sweat of laborers, intelligence of scientists, and wastes the dreams of the children. Eisenhower, the president of USA, said this. India advocates disarmaments. Why? India is a peaceful country, so it advocates disarmaments. After 1963, USA and USSR have entered into many bilateral agreements. Why? To stop the arms race. Expand PTBT, Partial Test Ban Treaty. Expand CTBT, Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty. Expand SALT, Strategic Arms Limitation Talks. What are considered as the major meeting points of agreement for the world? Partial Test Ban Treaty or PTBT, Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty or CTBT, Strategic Arms Limitation Talks SALT. These are considered as the major meeting points of agreement for the world. What is a historical gift of colonialism and imperialism? Economic inequality. What does the word third world denote? The word third world denotes poverty and non-development.